Can I delete my account if I have forgotten my password?
Hello everyone. Welcome to today's video where we will discuss a frequently asked question. Can I delete my account if I have forgotten my password? This is a concern for many users who want to maintain their online security but might have forgotten their account password.
Understanding account deletion.
To start, it's important to understand why platforms require passwords for account deletion. Passwords are a fundamental part of online security. They act as a personal key to your online accounts. When you want to delete an account, platforms typically require you to confirm your identity by providing the correct password, ensuring that only the true account holder can make this irreversible change.
Can you delete an account without a password?
Now, let's address the main question. Can you delete your account without your password? The straightforward answer is usually no. Most platforms will require your password to ensure that you are the legitimate owner of the account. However, there is an indirect way, recovering your forgotten password. Almost all platforms provide options to recover or reset your password if you forget it. Once you have recovered your password, you can proceed with deleting your account.
How to recover your password?
So, how do you recover a forgotten password? The process may slightly vary from platform to platform, but the steps are generally similar. Step 1. Visit the login page and click on the Forgot Password or Reset Password link. Step 2. You'll usually be asked to enter the email address associated with your account. Step 3. A password reset link or a verification code will be sent to your email. Step 4. Follow the instructions in the email to create a new password. Once you've reset your password, you can use it to log in and proceed with the account deletion process. To wrap up, while you typically can't directly delete your account without your password, there is a solution: password recovery. It's a relatively straightforward process that allows you to reset your password and regain control over your account. From there, you can proceed to delete your account if that's what you wish. We hope this video has clarified your concerns about account deletion and forgotten passwords. Stay safe online.